Welcome. Today, we're going to show you how to remove a reaction on a message on Instagram with the latest updates. Let's go through the steps together. To get started, open Instagram on your Android device. Locate the Instagram app icon on your home screen or in the app drawer and tap on it to launch the app. Next, tap on the message icon located at the top right corner of the screen to access your conversations. This will take you to your list of chats and direct messages. Navigate to the chat where you had previously added a reaction to a message. Scroll through your conversations and select the specific chat where you want to remove the reaction. Once you're in the chat, tap on the emoji that is displayed on the message to which you had reacted. This will bring up the Reactions menu showing the emojis used for reactions. In the Reactions menu, select Tap to Remove to undo the reaction you had added to the message. Confirm the removal and the reaction will be successfully removed from the message. By following these steps, you can easily remove a reaction on a message on Instagram using your Android device. Manage your reactions on messages with ease and maintain clear communication with your contacts. Removing reactions on Instagram messages has been made simpler with the updated features that allow you to easily undo your reactions. Thank you for watching, and enjoy customizing your reactions on Instagram messages effortlessly.